Do it to Parker. Is he silly? You guys are goofs. What are you doing?
Myself.
That's not good. What are you doing?
Eat it, Mommy.
You are gonna eat it? What are you eating?
I'm eating quesadilla.
Quesadilla?
Mm-hmm.
And what else?
Oranges. I
Mmm.
ate my head of oranges.
You ate your head full of oranges?
Yeah. Oranges.
Your head is full of oranges? I think your head is full of hot air.
Nope.
What do you think, Parker? Yeah? Can you say quesadilla for the camera?
Quesadilla. Mommy. Quesadilla. Quesadilla.